Can pipe tobacco be used for rolling cigarettes or vice versa?
Hello and welcome. Today we're discussing a question often posed by tobacco enthusiasts. Can pipe tobacco be used for rolling cigarettes or vice versa? Let's dive into the nuances of both pipe and cigarette tobacco to give you a clearer picture.
What are the differences between pipe tobacco and cigarette tobacco?
To start off, let's first understand what makes pipe tobacco and cigarette tobacco different from each other. They're both derived from the tobacco plant, but they differ significantly in their cuts, flavors, and how they're used. Pipe tobacco is generally cut into larger pieces, is more moist and oily, and often has flavors or casings added to it. It's intended to be smoked slowly over a longer period of time, which is facilitated by these properties. On the other hand, cigarette tobacco is cut much finer, is drier, and generally doesn't have any flavors added. It's designed to be smoked quickly, in a cigarette format.
Can you use pipe tobacco for rolling cigarettes?
Now that we understand the differences, let's address the first part of the question. Can you use pipe tobacco for rolling cigarettes? Technically, you can roll a cigarette with pipe tobacco. However, due to the larger cut and increased moisture of pipe tobacco, it may not burn as efficiently or evenly as cigarette tobacco, and the experience might not be as satisfying. Moreover, the flavors added to pipe tobacco can make the cigarette taste quite different than one would expect.
Can you use cigarette tobacco in a pipe?
Moving on to the next part, can you use cigarette tobacco in a pipe? Again, while it's possible to use cigarette tobacco in a pipe, it's generally not recommended. The finer cut and drier nature of cigarette tobacco can cause it to burn too hot and too fast in a pipe, which might not provide an enjoyable smoking experience. It can also potentially damage your pipe due to the high heat. In conclusion, while it's technically possible to use pipe tobacco for rolling cigarettes and cigarette tobacco in a pipe, neither is ideal due to the inherent differences between these two types of tobacco. It's always best to use the tobacco as intended to ensure the best possible smoking experience. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this video has clarified some of the differences and uses of pipe and cigarette tobacco. Stay safe and enjoy responsibly.